recruiting 3 new members to our advisory panel and to our Audit and Risk Assurance Committee. These are important parts of our governance arrangements, acting as sounding boards to make sure we're delivering services which are efficient and effective. We're particularly keen to hear from anybody who's got expertise in health services, in cyber security, ICT and digital, and equalities and diversity. We are committed to diversity and inclusion, and we really want to make sure that our service and our governance is shaped by diverse voices that can help challenge us and ensure we continue to improve. About these roles, and we're doing online sessions so you can get involved in finding out a bit more about them. Also, I'm happy to speak to anyone on a one-to-one basis who wants to discuss the opportunity more. So if you are interested, please head to our website. We're really keen to hear from you.